At Ceylon CAD, we specialize in product design, industrial solutions, and custom machine development. This video showcases our latest design, a mini combine harvester header, fully modeled using SolidWorks for precision and functionality. Engineered for small-scale harvesting, this header design is compact, efficient, and tailored to suit modern agricultural needs. Whether you need support for new machine development, modifications of current designs, or improvements in efficiency and durability, our team is equipped to help. We ensure that each project is handled with precision. Please contact us.